Hi everyone, this is the sirio demo. As you can see in this dashboard, you can see the artificial anomalies. So the artificial anomaly is the error that the user encountered, and yeah, we for artificial anomalies we mean the JavaScript error, the page load anomalies, the slow pages, the problematic resources, so the missing one and the slow one, the downsides, the forms that doesn't work, and so on. In this case, you can see also the obtained revenue, but it's only about it's only it's not very important for us. What is important for us is the missed revenue. In this case, you can see the yeah, how much the user, how much value the single errors. So in this case, we have a macro about the how much the single slow pages or the JavaScript errors or the problematic resources and forms and so on, how much they value. Okay, so the user for missing revenue, we mean how much the e-commerce missed when the user is blocked by an artificial anomaly. So each artificial anomalies let you to as this number. Okay, so for each types of errors. So for us, the artificial anomalies, as I mentioned before, is the errors that block the user to pass each steps of the funnel and let him to go to the conversion page, so the thank you page, so the okay, I place an order. Okay, so each phase has its own weight. Okay, and we are able to calculate the weight on the user propensity to pass each phase. Okay. And we did, and we, yeah, we do it using AI. In this case, you can see also an historical series of the anomalies we encounter on the e-commerce. So we have, in this case, we have a lot of slow pages and problematic resources. Overall, the dashboard is interactive, so where you click, you can filter or you can see only this a single type of data. In this case, you can see also in the heat map by time slot, so you can see how much errors you have in a single slot of time. Okay, going from Monday to Sunday and from midnight to the next midnight for each hour. And in this case, you can see also device by anomalies, device by country. You can see how much the single day has anomalies or conversions. So in this case, you can see if how much conversion you have or you less conversion you have. Maybe you can have a lot of anomalies and so on. Here you can see a macro of and how much the single error value in terms of missed revenue. So here you have the opportunities, they have the single error, how much it takes, and yeah, you can, in this case, you can debug each error in a macro way, okay? And here you can have also the minor opportunities and so on. Also, in this case, you can see the funnel. In this case, you can see how much the user passed from the landing to the product to the cart page, and how much they pass from each step of the micro step of the checkout. So in this case, you can see that a lot of users going to cart because we have a lot of users that land direct to the cart by using because our customer do a lot of newsletter. in this case, you can see how much users don't pass to the next phase due any type of errors. Okay, so you can see the errors in red color. In this case, you can see also the bounce rate, how much for pages you can find, how much is the criticality about each errors, and you can see also a search analysis. So you can see if there are any type of yeah, if there are any words that don't let the user find any type of users. Um, Also here you can see the single errors I mentioned before in a debug way. So you can see, for example, which is the single error for JavaScript in this case, how much time the page in that time loads, how much is the frame frequency. For example, you can see other type of debug info about the each click, the click, interaction, if it's an unfill error, so a blocking error or not, and so on. So also you can see the slow pages. So any type of debug data about the slow pages for with the same yeah, same type of debugging data. Okay, how much user you had in the same time in the same page, and so on. Also, you can see the programmatic resources, which is the programmatic resources, and yeah. Also, you can see the programmatic forms. So about the form, you can see, for example, yeah, which is in this case, the yeah, the coupon used. In this case, you can see the add to cart form that doesn't work, and so on. Login forms, and blah blah blah. Also, the downside. In this case, we have that downside. So yeah, this is overall. Thank you.